And so there's a need for the first time ever in Montessori for us to put some structure in place. Normally, we talk about freedoms. And of course, freedom is key. Absolutely, the capacity to choose is significant. But how do they choose? What is choice? How do we have a group of children who have not been together, whether it's a new group of children or whether it's children coming back after the holiday and a few new ones coming in? How does this new community find its sense of belonging? How does it find its steering point? How does it find its compass of what is possible? How do we empower the children to feel that they can take responsibility? They can take responsibility and they know what they're empowered to do.